So, what transforms the entire nation of Kuwait into a massive party every February?
Well, it's all about two major historical events celebrated with huge national pride. You've got two huge holidays, National Day and Liberation Day, celebrated right after each other. National Day marks independence, while Liberation Day honors a more recent fight for sovereignty.
Yeah, they moved it from June to February. A very smart move, trust me. And that's Eid Al-Tahrir in Arabic, which literally means Day of Liberation.
Now, 2026 is a big one. It's the 65th anniversary of their National Day. And it also marks the 35th anniversary of Liberation Day, a huge milestone. All of this means one thing, an official 4-day public holiday for everyone. And this really gets to the heart of it, honoring the past while looking to the future. The whole thing happens under the banner of the Hala February Festival. You get everything from military parades to traditional camel racing and amazing drone shows. The whole country is just covered in vibrant green flags and brilliant golden lights. Okay, so the festival kicks off February 1st, but the main events are the 25th and 26th. You can feel it everywhere, but these spots are where you'll find the biggest celebrations. But why does this matter so much? It's really about strengthening their national identity. And this quote from Kuwaiti citizens just says it all. A deep personal pride. It really makes you think, right? How celebrating the past is really about building the future.